Hello. Welcome to Learning English. This lesson is about the past perfect simple. Read the following short story before learning about the usages and forms.
Last night, Dane and Emily danced in a competition. They danced a salsa dance. They had practiced for 6 months before they danced in the competition. They were very good. Dane and Emily's friends were in the audience. Before that night, they had never seen Dane and Emily dance. In fact, Dane and Emily had never danced in front of anyone before the competition. After everyone had danced, the judges announced the winners. Dane and Emily won. They were the best dancers in the competition. Emily said she had never practiced so hard before. She was glad they had practiced a lot.
We use the past perfect part of the sentence to show that the event happened before another event in the past. For example, they had practiced for 6 months before they danced in the competition. The meaning is that they had practiced for 6 months as the first event. They danced in a competition as the second action. Also note that we should use the past simple if both events in the past are written in a chronological order. For example, last night, Dane and Emily danced in a competition. They danced a salsa dance. The past perfect simple sentences are formed by positive subject plus had plus verb past participle. His wife had already prepared dinner when he arrived home. Negative subject plus had not or hadn't plus verb past participle. We hadn't reviewed any lessons before the exam. Question: had plus subject plus verb past participle? Had they found the truth by the time she left? There are also some expressions that are commonly used in the past perfect simple. When I arrived at the concert venue, the band had already finished playing. Before. Had you finished your meal before your friend arrived? By the time. By the time we got to the party, all the food had gone. Since. The butcher had quit his job since he had the accident. For. They had put him up for 2 weeks before he found a new house. Until. He had not seen a panda until he moved to China. This is the end of the lesson. I hope my explanation is helpful for you. Thank you.